1,000 years ago in the golden age of the Tang Dynasty, Li Bai loved Taibai duck above all else. Today, he restores this ancient Tang delicacy for you and invites you to explore the world of time-honored Chinese food. Taibai duck was first recorded in the classic of food of the Tang Dynasty, said to be created by the poet immortal Li Bai during his travels. Slow stewed old duck thick soup, sweet and mellow, a royal delicacy for the Tang court and literati. Today, we'll restore this 1,000-year-old flavor per ancient book records. Fresh ingredients are key to authentic Taibai duck. Today we'll pick the finest ingredients at the prosperous Tang's East Market. Firm textured old duck, crisp scallions and ginger, plump red dates and lotus seeds, these are the classic ingredients for Taibai duck. Scallions and ginger cut through fishiness and indispensable classic seasoning in prosperous Tang cooking. Natural sweetness from red dates and lotus seeds. Richer color from wolfberries, all classic Tang Dynasty pairings. To recreate the authentic Taibai duck, the steps are simple, yet each one calls for genuine devotion. Prosperous Tang cuisine used yellow rice wine for deodorizing and freshening, with no extra spices, only its pure natural taste. Marinate the whole duck briefly to let the wine aroma fully seep into the meat's texture. This is the essential secret to Taibai duck's sweet, non-greasy and richly infused flavor. Taibai duck requires slow cooking over gentle heat, simmered softly on charcoal fire until the duck meat becomes tender and falling off the bone. Add red dates, lotus seeds and wolfberries, and simmer to reduce the sauce. Let their sweetness mix with the duck's richness. This is the elegance of slow food in the golden age of Tang. This slow-simmered Taibai duck features tender, succulent meat and a delicately sweet, mellow soup. No heavy spices overpower the dish, only the true, natural taste of the ingredients shines through. A 1,000 years ago, Li Bai wrote poems while savoring this delicacy with wine. Today, we still taste the grace and gentleness of the prosperous Tang Dynasty from this bowl of soup. I'm Hao He, taking you to taste 1,000-year-old cuisine. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.